Disclaimers: I'm not a professional financial advisor. There are probable risks and probable gains by doing stock trading and investment in stock market. Please do your own diligence. You are responsible to your self-action. You may hear words and see actions against general views and not recommended for general viewers. Parental guidance are advised. By the way, I removed the music in this video to avoid copyright. Thanks for watching. Greetings. Thanks to my new subscribers. Write your name in the comment section so that I can greet you all. Hi guys, welcome to my channels. Please feel free and feel at home while enjoying our topic for today. Our discussion for today: trading and investment psychology. Know your plans and personal attitude. Before at hand, when you buy a stock or a share, you're getting a piece of that company. How much of the company you own depends on the number of shares the company has issued and the numbers of shares you own. If it's a small private company, a single share could represent a larger part of the company. Major public companies often have millions, even billions of shares. For example, SMC, San Miguel Corporation, or Ayala Land Corporation has a billion of shares circulation, so a single shares is just a tiny fraction of the company. As an example, San Miguel Corporation market capital 161.87 billion, shares outstanding 2.38 billion, revenue 1.5 billion. As we see, there is a trend channel and the EMA exponential moving average was already crossed. Potential buying opportunities was given to traders and investors. If given and obtained the SMC stock of shares at least 55.41 pesos before EMA cross, you should have gained now for at least more than 15% paper gain. As an example, Ayala Land Corporation market capital 284.15 billion, shares outstanding 14.48 billion, revenue 179.53 billion. As we see, there is a trend channel and the EMA exponential moving average was already crossed. Potential buying opportunities was given to traders and investors. If obtained, the Ayala Land stocks of shares at least 21.41 pesos before EMA crossed, you should have gained last month for more than 25% paper gain. And also, selling opportunities at 29.9 pesos was given when EMA crossed. Show signals. You should have more than 25% actual gain. But if you didn't sell your stocks share of ALI, you should have more than 10% losses now. The price of a stock changes based on the demand for shares from the new investors who want to buy or the supply of shares from existing investors who want to sell. Not every investor makes decisions based on the same criteria. What might seem like a high price to one investor is a bargain to another. This dynamic keeps shares trading hands, makes future prices difficult to predict. As we know now, that trading and investment have real risk and real gain. If we can navigate risk management, and we'll have gain. Hi, share your thoughts. Comment down below about your thinking on this topic, on my content. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.